Hi guys, how are we all doing today? We good? Got your cups of tea, got your coffee, we're all set to go. Right, before we go, just one thing I want to say to JD11 out there who commented on yesterday's post. I know a few of you answered. He was regarding these blocks that we've got here. I hope you slept well after everyone else got back to you. So, as I said before, these are all, we bought these at discounted price for, it's actually a buddy of my dad's. So he wanted to build, I think it's like a triple garage or something he wants to build out of these. So we've got plenty of blocks for him. Now, there's a chance I might be able to film this. I'm not sure yet. So originally my dad was going to build the garage for him. My dad, I think he's 86, 85 or 86, something like that. Well, he's getting on, but it don't stop him. I'll tell you what, don't stop him at all. He wants to do it, but there's a chance that I'm probably going to end up building it. Now, once this roof is done, we've tiled this roof over here. I think I might go out and record doing this because I'm going to get other trades in to do things in bits and pieces, and there might be a small window where I'm able to go and do another job. Which I'll tell you what, it's been almost 2 years, maybe a bit longer since I've done another job. This might be something interesting. So if you guys are interested in seeing that happen, then I might make it happen. So let me know down in the comments if you are interested in seeing me build something other than this house and get a bit of block work done. And also yesterday's video about the 5 beginner mistakes. Seems like you guys are enjoying that, which is good. And it's also making me think more that recently, because we've been doing a lot of this roof, I haven't been getting the trowel out, I haven't been doing any brickwork, any bricklaying or anything like that. So what I might be doing is at the weekends I might be doing some like tutorial panels. I touched on this a while back and I said I was going to start doing it when the roof was done, but I think we all need some brickwork and some block work, don't we? So again, comment down below. What do you want to see me build first? I've got a few ideas. In fact, I've got a hell of a lot of ideas that I want to do. I want to try and do some more arch tutorials because I did that one, the arch we built in there, just the rough arch. I did a kind of tutorial on that way back when. I'll leave a card up here somewhere if you are interested in seeing that. I want to do some other arches. I want to do like Gothic arch is one that I really want to do, and also I want to do tutorials on like bullseyes and spiral piers, things like that. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing all the tutorials about that, then please let me know down in the comments, because if we get enough love for them, then I'll probably do those at the weekends and then have them up as well. Obviously I'm not going to be able to do it all in one day. Well, do you know what, I probably would be able to do it all in one day actually. It depends how big each structure is and depends weather permitting and what time I have to do it. But yeah, hopefully that would be interesting, because we could get the roof, keep going with the roof, and also get a bit of brickwork on the side as well, because that is kind of what sort of started this channel off really. The brickwork, well, it's not really what started the channel off, but it's what got this channel popularised. I think when I did that epic arch, not the epic arch, the epic bricklaying time lapse is what sort of spurred people to start coming along and finding this channel. So I think if we go back to the roots a little bit, I think it would be a bit enjoyable for everyone, because I know there's a lot of bricklayers out there. Right, those are the things addressed that I wanted to address. Again, yeah, let me know down in the comments. Do you want to see me film building this garage, and also do you want to see me do more tutorials about brickwork? I think I might redo my how to lay bricks video as well, but we'll get to that. So yeah, let me know down in the comments. Right, let's jump up on a roof and I'll show you what I did yesterday. Bearing in mind, it wasn't a great deal because I was so busy yesterday. But let's jump up there and have a look anyway. Oh, and I just thought about it as I'm walking up this roof. The panel with all the joint finishes. I know a few of you are wanting that, so that's probably something else I'll do down the bottom instead of the where the play button is. It's looking really good as it's I'll tell you what, I shouldn't look up and walk up a roof at the same time. So I'll stand here and I'll tell you what I'm trying to say. The YouTube play button panel will be coming down, and I know a lot of you are asking for the different joint finishes in a single panel, so I might do that first, because that'll be an easy build. I'll just build a panel and then do all the different joints on it. So, I'm a bit out of breath from up here. So that'll probably be the first tutorial one that I'm doing, but yeah, again, let me know. Let me go other ideas. What else is there you want to see? But I really do want to do the I really want to do the different arches, the bullseye. Also the spiral piers, that's a good one. And I've got a very good idea. I haven't seen this anywhere on YouTube, so I'm not going to tell you what it is. In fact, there's two things I haven't seen on YouTube that I'm going to do. So there's, yeah, I'm going to leave it at that because I don't want to give too much away. People out there might be like, right, I'm going to do that before he gets a chance to do it. So no, there are two things. I'll let you know before we do them. But yeah, two things that I've been hunting around and I can't see them anywhere. Right, anyway, let's get up this roof. I'm not going to. Yeah, it's a bit too dodgy that, so I'll turn you off and I'll meet you in a minute. Right, now we're up on the roof where we were. Just before I show you what I did yesterday, I just want to explain that there's been a few days, especially yesterday, where I didn't get a chance to do much work here on the roof at all. And also, at the beginning of the week, obviously there was rain, but also I've had a few meetings and things like that. This is all down to that. Do you remember that bad day at work I had? I'll leave a card up here somewhere a few days ago, and I explained, I'm not going to go into details because I think I explained enough in there, and frankly I don't want to go into any more details about it just yet anyway. So it all spurs from there really. There's another meeting I'm going to have on Thursday, but it currently, well that's tomorrow, so currently it's in the morning, but I'm going to change that to the afternoon or evening as late as I possibly can. Purely I don't want to I want to try and let these meetings not get in the way, but they're a necessity, they have to happen. So if for some reason a video is a little bit shorter than normal, then I do apologise, but frankly these things, they need to be done. It's a necessity, so I'm going to try and limit them as much now because I know during the week we've had a lot of them, especially like I said yesterday. I try to push them all together into one day so that I don't mix my days up, so hence why yesterday was it was a no-go up on the roof. Like I said, I did a little bit, but anyway. Right, so I just wanted to let you guys know that sometimes these things happen and I have to have these meetings, so just letting you know, that's all. Right, I'll show you the little 40 minutes bit of work I did yesterday. Right, here we go, this is what we did. Oh, let me get into a better position. Right, as you can see, I infilled this section here. So that was the first one, second dormer that we did, and I'm stood on the one we're going to do today. I infilled all this, got it all done. You have to excuse me if you can hear some traffic because being right next to a road, it does happen. So yeah, we've infilled all this and I left it to the point where I'm going to put all the valley tiles in going up here, and then just hope to get this dormer done. If I can get that little section done as well, fill that up in, I will. Because today we're looking to have no rain. Well, saying that, this afternoon is supposed to rain, but I'm going to try and get as much of this done as possible, and then hope, yeah, if I can get this one done today, which I don't see why I shouldn't because it's smaller than these ones, and I managed to get that one done yesterday, not yesterday, the other day, and in the rain, so we should get this one done today. And then hopefully tomorrow, worst case scenario Friday, we'll sort the ridges out, because I've never done the dry ridging system, I've always mucked them in, so that'll be interesting to have a go on that. Right, okay, so yeah, let's stop talking and start putting some tiles down, eh? Start off with the valley tiles going up here, infill that section, and then we'll go around this dormer doing exactly the same as we did over there, and then finish up on this side. Right, okay, so let's get going.
Just to hear a sound, someone still around. She heard me calling, she heard me say her name, but she hides away.
Righto guys, we're back at my favourite window, and that means it's raining. It's not raining heavy, it's that sort of that fine rain that just is constant and you just feel really damp. I'm feeling very damp, and up on the roof all that rain is accumulating, it's getting a bit slippery again. But did manage to get that dormer done, and I would just like to say thank you all. Thank you to all of you guys who said use tile and halves on the end of the dormers rather than putting those piddly little cuts in. Mate, that makes such a difference. So on that first dormer, when we go up and do the ridges, I'll probably change those and put them in tile and halves. It looks a lot smarter, and it's just way easier. They ain't going to fall off, and like you say, a tile can kill people. So I'll be changing those. There's probably a few cuts that need doing here and there on the dormers, but I'll do that as we go with the ridge tiles. So it's sort of just after 4 o'clock, so I'm not too bothered. I got done what I wanted to get done with the rain. Just persevered through it. It wasn't too bad. My drill and my grinder were getting a little bit wet as well, so I didn't want to get electrocuted, but it all worked out fine time wise. So hopefully tomorrow we might be we'll either be having a go at the dry ridge system, or we will be most probably, if there are any cuts that need doing, we'll probably be doing a bit of that in the morning, and then in the afternoon we'll start on the ridge system and see how it goes. I'll have to have a little read up tonight about that to prepare myself for tomorrow, because like I said, I've never done it before. But it should be fun, should be interesting. But I'll tell you what, I'm glad that those dormers are done. I'll tell you what, they're fiddly, they're really fiddly. But yeah, all done. Yeah, and as I said earlier, they're just sort of outlining that every now and then I might have a meeting, etc, etc. It's just saying that this build is not the only thing that I concentrate my time on. There are other things that I have to do, like other, no, I wouldn't call them businesses, but they're just other things that occupy my time, and it is work related. So yeah, just I know all of you will understand, but I just wanted to let you know, because obviously this week has been quite manic for me, going off, coming back, going off, coming back, and obviously the rain hasn't helped. I'm repeating myself because I told you all this at the beginning of the video. Right, okay, so we'll leave that episode there for today. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys bright and breezy tomorrow morning. Bring your tea, bring your coffee, and bring your boots. Right, see you then, take care, ta-ra.